Remember the last time your car's check engine light came on? Did you know what was wrong? Did you know what to do about it? Did you know if the problem was severe? Fixt is here to translate your check engine light. Our sensor plugs directly into your dash and sends notifications to your phone when problems arise. A summary of the problem is provided in simple terms, complete with consequences of continued driving. The severity of the problem and instructions on what to do are given to ensure the safety of you and your vehicle. Multiple vehicle control allows access to all of your cars, and an active timeline reminds you when it's time to service them. Completed maintenance tasks are recorded to create a comprehensive and exportable vehicle health record. Take the guessing out of your check engine light and get fixed.
Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor, the next generation technology that puts you in control of your driving safety. Safety has never looked so sexy. Using the most advanced German sensors, Zeus monitors both tire pressure and temperature in real time and sends this data to the app. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called AccurateTemp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed. The app report clearly pinpoints the exact tire and the rate of leakage. To make it even more versatile, we've designed it as a device that anyone can self-install. Take it with you on your next trip and easily install in just 3 steps on your rental car. When it comes to protecting your family everywhere you go, choose the next generation in safety technology. Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor by Nonda. Today's technology for yesterday's car.
Hi, I'm Aaron from Kenevo. Today I'll introduce you to the Kenevo BTC 450, show you how to set it up, and also introduce you to some of its features. The Kenevo BTC 450 is a Bluetooth car kit which streams music from smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-capable devices. The BTC 450 is also a simple hands-free solution for placing and answering calls while on the go. There's a quick setup guide here on the back of the box just to get you started, but let's open it up and take a deeper look. Inside the package, you will find the BTC 450 control center, which is attached to the DC power adapter to connect to your car's 12-volt accessory port. Also, we have the 3.5 millimeter audio cable to connect into the auxiliary port. We have an extension 3.5 millimeter audio cable, just in case you need a little extra reach. 2 adhesive discs to attach the BTC 450 to your vehicle. And inside here, you'll find the user manual. Using these simple controls on the BTC 450 control center, you can jump to the next song or go to the previous one. And this is the multifunction button, which you use to play and pause music. More on these later as we install the BTC 450 into a car. Now let's go ahead and pair the BTC 450 with a Bluetooth device. BTC 450 can be paired with many devices that are Bluetooth capable, such as smartphones and tablets, many Apple products such as the iPad, the iPhone, and the iPod Touch, as well as Android tablets such as the Kindle Fire HD. Today I'm using an iPhone 5. So we want to make sure we're in pairing mode, and then we go into the Bluetooth settings on our device, and scan for BTC 450. I have it listed here, so I'm going ahead and click on it to pair it. And now the BTC 450 has successfully paired and is now connected to the iPhone 5. Once the initial setup is complete, the BTC 450, when switched on, will automatically connect back to the last device it was connected to. Since I've already paired and connected the BTC 450 with my phone, I can go ahead and just push play right on my device here, and the music will automatically start playing. Using the BTC 450 controls, if I push the multifunction button, I can pause music, and then to resume playing your music. Now, to rewind a song, you press the skip back button here, or press the skip forward button here. Oh, I have an incoming call. I'm going to go ahead and answer that by pressing the multifunction button. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going great. Are we still on for tonight?
Yeah, let's meet up a little bit later and we'll go to the game.
Okay, sounds good. I will see you then.
All right, bye.
All right, bye. And to hang up the call, I just press the multifunction button once more. Now, if you press and hold the multifunction button down for about 3 seconds, you'll activate Siri. How's the weather today in Seattle?
Here's the forecast for Seattle for today.
The BTC 450 comes with a built-in USB port so that you can charge and power your accessories while you're on the go. To learn more, search for BTC 450 on www.kenevo.com. If you have any questions, send us an email at support@kenevo.com. Thanks for watching.
Hey Josh, it's Liz from college.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
trying to get a taxi, but my phone's dead.
Well, hop in.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like. Rockstar from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.